Hey everyone, if you don't have any work experience and still want to create a professional resume, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a resume without experience in 2026. First, use a free resume builder like resume.com. It's perfect for beginners who have no work experience yet. Next, choose a simple and clean template. I mean, avoid complex designs and keep your resume looking professional and easy to read. Now write a strong resume summary. Focus on your goals, your skills, and the type of job you are looking for. Since you don't have experience, highlight your education. I mean, your school, college, or any online courses are very important here. Next, add your skills section. Include basic skills like communication, computer skills, or anything you have learned. If you have no job experience, add projects or volunteer work. I mean, this shows real effort and helps build credibility. Finally, keep everything simple and clean. Avoid adding fake information or unnecessary details. So, yeah, that's how you create a resume without experience. Follow each step carefully, and you can still build a strong and professional resume as a beginner. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.